Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Summer Waves Elite 22-foot by 52-inch swimming pool set with filter pump. Spend the hot summer cooling off by your Summer Waves Elite 22-foot frame pool. This complete pool kit has everything you need to set up and maintain your pool, so you spend more time chilling in the water and less time buying accessories and supplies. It comes with a CP2000 C filter pump, pool cover, ladder, ground cloth, and deluxe maintenance kit. Product benefits: ready for water in as little as 60 minutes. Constructed of triple-layer polyester mesh and heavy-gauge PVC material with a rust-resistant, galvanized steel frame, stands up to heavy use. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.